Kindly use a desktop or a laptop to view my sample pages of this book. Even for the complete audio video version of these books, kindly use a laptop or a desktop. Hello, this is Vivek sir, author of the book Introduction to Coding for Kids and Teens with Python, a blog-based approach. Here are some sample pages of chapter number 3. In chapter number 3, we are going to learn graphics programming in Python. So interesting 18 activities of turtle graphics have been covered in this book. And for that we are going to use a free software. This is the screen of the software which appears. So there are three parts of this window, and on left hand side we are having the block menu. This is the block menu. This is the place where the code is to be written. So this is block code area, and automatically the Python code gets generated and it appears here. This is the block menu which appears in the project window of our software. Clicking on the menu item of the block menu will give you related submenu blocks of the clicked item. You are supposed to click and drag the required block from it to the block code area. Blocks and block sequences may change when the software is updated. So this is the, if you click the statements menu, then a submenu of this type appears: print hello world, print 1, input. If you click on this, this will appear on the code block window, and so on. Now this is a sequence program. Activity number 1, displaying hello from Python on the screen. Actually, before writing a program, we do analysis of the problem, write pseudocode or algorithm or draw flowchart, and then write the equivalent program using them. But since we just want to display a message, we will just create and run a block code. See to it that you are in a new project window. So the project window will be of this type then now, as usual, and click on the statements menu item in the block menu. From the statements menu item, click and drag print block. Place it below the hash start code here. The screen will look like this. So click on the statements. This will give you the submenu. From the submenu, you are supposed to click and drag print hello world, this block on the block code area. Click on hello world and change it to hello from Python. So the block code will be of this type then now, print hello from Python. And you are just supposed to click the run button here. So when you click the run, the output screen will be hello from Python. The corresponding Python code is in the code block window. This is the code block window. So click on statements here and click on print hello world. Click here and change it to hello from Python. Hello from Python. That's it. The equivalent code is here, as you can see. We have already executed this program. So in this way we have done the activity number 1. Now our aim is to write some graphics program which will develop your interest in programming. So interesting 18 activities of turtle graphics have been covered in this book. Let us go for one more activity, and that is for drawing a straight line. So we'll go back to the software screen then now. Here is that now. And now aim is to draw a straight line. So let us see what is to be done. So for Python graphics, we have to use the ready-made turtle graphics of Python. So first statement is imports. Click on import, and from turtle import star is to be clicked. Bring it below the start code here. This is the block window. We are going to import all the functions of the turtle class in my video book, the details of the import statements are all given. Then we create object of the turtle class, click on turtle and then say click on turtle is equal to turtle. This creates an object of the class turtle. So this is the class turtle and this is the name of the object. You can change the name of the object to whatever you want. You can rename the variable. If you click here, you can rename it. For example, you can make it T also. Right now I am maintaining it as turtle. So this is the turtle, which is the name of the object of the class turtle. So always we are supposed to create the object of the class turtle before using the turtle graphics library. As I told you just now, I have discussed all the import statement and how do you create object in detail in my video book. After this, now we are supposed to call some functions on the turtle object. Now our aim is to move the turtle forward for drawing the line. So for that again we click turtle and we use a function which is turtle.forward. So click on this now. So here is that now turtle.forward. So turtle is object and this is the function. The name of the function is forward. By default a value 90 appears here. So the turtle will move forward by 90 pixels or 90 points on the right hand side. By default the turtle pen is down. By default the pen is down and therefore when we move the turtle forward, automatically a straight line will get drawn. Your block code and this is the corresponding Python code that has been generated automatically. And once the code is all over, just you are supposed to click the run button and it will draw a straight line. So this is the output that appears on the screen and this is a straight line of 90 points and 90 pixels. Please note that by default the shape of the pen is a arrowhead. The shape of the pen is arrowhead and not the turtle. You can change the shape of the pen to turtle also. Let us change this number 90. We can make it for example 150. So a straight line of 150 points or 150 pixels will be drawn. So this is the output. As you can see a straight line of 150 pixels has been drawn. So this is new activity now, drawing a rectangle, and we have done an activity for drawing a straight line and you are supposed to draw a straight line and change the direction of the turtle for drawing the rectangle. So as usual the first step will be click on imports, from turtle import star, then click on turtle, create an object of the class turtle. Click on this, bring it here and this is the object of the class turtle. The name of the object is turtle. On this object we are supposed to call various functions. So again click on turtle and click on turtle.forward. This will draw a straight line of 90 pixels or 90 points. This which we have already done. We have done it already. Now after drawing a straight line of 90 pixels, we are supposed to change the direction of the pen by 90 degrees. 90 degrees because we want to draw a rectangle or maybe a square, and a rectangle or a square has 4 sides. So 360 divided by 4, that is equal to 90 degrees, and therefore to draw a vertical line we are supposed to change the direction of the pen by 90 degrees. So for that again click on turtle, again click on turtle.forward and click on the down arrow of the forward and make it left now. So the turtle direction will be changed in an anti-clockwise direction by 90 degrees. Once the direction of the turtle changes, what you are supposed to do? Again draw a straight line. If it is a square, then the length of the side will be same. If it is a rectangle, it may change. So click on turtle again, Click on turtle dot forward, move it by 90 degrees if you want to draw a square. Okay. After drawing this perpendicular line, again change the direction of the turtle by 90 degrees. So click on turtle dot forward, click on this down arrow, click on left. So change the direction of the turtle by 90 degrees again in a anti-clockwise direction, and again draw a straight line. So this is that. Again change the direction of the turtle by 90 degrees in a anti-clockwise manner. So this is that. Again draw a straight line. So turtle dot forward will draw a straight line of 90 points here because the pen is down. So this is the first straight line, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So the code is all over, and our aim is to execute the code by clicking the run button, and then a square will get drawn because we are moving the turtle by same number of pixels or points. So this is the rectangle that has been drawn. I have reduced the speed of the turtle so you can see clearly how the rectangle is getting drawn. Just check how the rectangle is getting drawn. So first of all, move the turtle forward, then change the direction by 90 degrees, draw a straight line, then again change the direction by 90 degrees, again straight line, change the direction by 90 degrees, and again straight line. So interesting 18 activities of turtle graphics have been covered in this book. I am presenting to you some sample program outputs. Drawing and filling a circle with screen. Beautiful red star pattern. Drawing a pattern of circle. Beautiful pattern of circle. A growing star. If you want to learn the basic coding concepts, if you want to write the programs for generating such type of beautiful graphic outputs, if you want to write simple Python programs, then kindly subscribe to my full audio video version of this book, Introduction to Coding for Kids and Teens with Python, a block-based approach. For subscribing to this book, kindly mail me at my email ID viveksir.abhinav@gmail.com. Also, see my next video for sample pages of this book.